guys, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and I'm going to do a tutorial on this wolf bracelet. So this is a wolf head button that is made by Green Girl Designs. She also has it in a pendant, and we have both of these online. And we are featuring these because the wolf moon is this weekend in January. And so this one's a button that you can use. Buttons are perfect for clasps, or this one has a loop at the top so you can use it for a pendant. So I love this beautiful Moonstone and wolf head button bracelet. This was designed by Kirby, our showroom manager, using leather. And so today I'm going to show you how to make this. We also have lots of other new buttons that we just put online from Green Girl Studios. So you can use different buttons and use different colored beads and do the same type bracelet, but customize it to something that might be more to your liking if the wolf isn't your favorite. So let's get into it. So to make this bracelet, the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is attach our button. So we're just gonna string that onto the leather. I've cut about a yard and a half of leather. That's more than we'll need, but I'd rather have enough or too much than not enough. So I'm just gonna string this through, and I'm gonna string it to the center of my leather. Sorry, I'm gonna have to get out of the frame to do this. Stretch my arms wide to center this. But that's in the center now. And so now I'm going to just go ahead and put a knot right here on the other side of the button. Just like that. And then I can start stringing my beads on either side. So I've got these beautiful chocolate moonstone beads and these stainless steel spacer beads. These are 8mm large hole round beads, and they fit perfectly on this 1.5mm leather. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the ends of these strands of beads, and that way I can ideally just pull the beads right off the strand, and then I don't have to search for the hole if they're in a pile somewhere. So I'm going to start with one side, and I'm going to start with 2 stainless steel rondelle beads. And then I'm going to go 2 of the chocolate moonstone. And I'm going to do the same thing back and forth, alternating for as long as I would like the bracelet to be. So the standard size bracelet for a woman is about 7.5 inches. So if you're making it to sell, 7.5 inches is where you would best to be. And now I'm just going to string on these beads onto one side of the leather, and then I'm going to do the same pattern onto the other string of the leather. So then once you have all your beads strung on one strand of the leather, then you can do the same thing on this other side of the leather. And you can do a matching pattern like we've done in this example right here, or you can mix and match, or you don't have to have a pattern at all on either side. Or you could just do the moonstone and no stainless spacers. Whatever you want, be creative with it. This is your project. But for the sake of this project, I'm just going to copy the example that we have here, and I'm just going to repeat the pattern on this side of the leather. So then once you have everything strung and it matches evenly on both sides, and it's going to, and you've measured it that it's going to fit your wrist if it's for you, or the standard size wrist. So once you've got these both strung, then we're gonna go ahead and tie a knot on this side. And then we're gonna leave enough space so that our wolf head will go through here and it's like a bar and toggle. So I'm just gonna hold this with my fingers right here and just slip this through and just see. So right there at kind of the widest point, it needs to be there to make it through. So then I'm just gonna hold this right here so I know where my knot needs to be. And I'm gonna make my knot and just pull that tight right there. So I have that perfect little hole for my wolf head to slide through. Then to have these little dangles right here off the end, which add a nice little touch, I'm gonna go ahead and string 2 more of these little spacer beads onto either side of my leather. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and tie the knot first. So I'm just gonna let this dangle down just a little bit, maybe to right there. So I'm gonna tie a knot right here. Just like that. And then I'm going to add 2 of these little spacer beads right here. On there. And then I'm just gonna tie a knot right here on the end. Pull that tight, and then I can just take a pair of scissors and clip that end off right there. And then same thing for the other side, although I'm gonna offset these, so one of them's a little bit longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my knot right here on this one. And then string on 2 of these spacer beads. And then I'm going to tie a knot on the other side of these. And you can see I had a lot more leather than I needed, but as I said, I would rather have more than enough than not enough. So got that there for our little dangles. I'm going to cut that off. And that's all it takes to make this beautiful bracelet. And then this is just gonna slide through here as your clasp. And you're ready to go. Thanks so much for watching, and all the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.